All right, excellent. This is where our journey begins. Before we get started with hands-on tasks, I would like us to focus on the big picture. Ideally, in this chapter, we'll figure out who a data analyst is, what they do, and how they create value for an organization. Think about the following words: business, data, analysis, analytics, intelligence, science. Combining these terms gives you the names of several processes and fields that have a growing importance in the corporate world. We can have business analysis, business analytics, and business intelligence. Of course, these relate to business activities. If, on the other hand, we opt for data as the first word, we'd get data analysis, data analytics, and data science. All of these terms are used with increasing popularity. However, there's also significant room for confusion. For example, what is the difference between business and data analytics? And how about data analysis versus data analytics? It isn't very clear, right? In a similar way, we cannot always immediately distinguish between a business analyst and a data analyst. Data-centered professions are relatively new. New because today there is progressively more data than people can make use of. Besides, the speed of making discoveries combined with the rising number of people that join this new data-driven world is leading to the constant advent of new terms and the modification of already existing ones. Therefore, an issue you will surely encounter at the early stages of your journey is to understand the meaning behind such terms. The fact of the matter is that people often use these denominations interchangeably and give them their own meaning. We wanted to be transparent about this potential source of confusion from the start. With that in mind, you should accept the relevant classifications we are about to provide with two constraints. First, although these wouldn't help a beginner set foot in the data analyst profession, people are in their own right to have different interpretations of the most important industry terms. Second, don't forget that in the long run, understanding the essence of a certain activity is way more important than choosing a term to vest it in. If you can accept these limitations, please proceed to the next lecture, where we will simply start our discussion. Hope to see you there, and thank you for watching.